chronic pain for the past 6 years gone?
Okay. And just let it all go. Just relax, let the body sink to the table.
Oh.
How'd that feel?
Damn. Felt great.
You felt that cracker ready, huh? Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel? That was incredible.
Releasing all that tension that I had.
Yeah. Again, big one. Deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Awesome. Just let the head drop to the left. Let it fall. Wow. How'd that feel?
Awesome.
Just let it fall. How are you feeling, man?
Great.
All the way down this way here. Just relax the shoulder here. Just gonna do some movements here. Just relax it.
Oh,
Wow.
was that loud?
Yeah, super loud. Just let the head fall.
Oh,
Very
Oh.
nice.
oh
Wow.
my god, I felt it. Oh my god, my soul.
Through your soul, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. And all the way out. Perfect. One more time, please. All the way out. Perfect. Just come right into here and just head all the way down. Just relax the shoulder here. I'm going to just cradle the head just a bit. Perfect. And just let the head fall for me.
Oh.
There we go. How did that feel?
Good.
You full control and just let the head fall.
Oh.
Beautiful. Awesome. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Yeah. You feel all that pressure just
Yes.
kind of. This is awesome. Awesome. Very good. Let's go ahead and knees up. Both sides. So knees together, feet together. I'm going to come in and place my hands right in between your knees, okay? Now what I want you to do is just push your knees into my hands and keep pushing. Keep push, 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 push. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Oh, good.
You get a good release on that?
Yes.
Nice. That was super loud too. You're cracking out ready too.
No, I know.
Okay. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. Holy shit. How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. One more time. All the way out. Awesome. I'm going to strap you in here, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, take a deep breath in. Let it all go. Just relax it. The body fall to the table.
Oh my goodness.
Very good.
Wow.
How did that feel?
Wow. I never have felt that. Literally all through.
Awesome.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Just let it drop. Let it drop.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
How'd that feel?
That feels really, really good.
Awesome. Something came in with a different contact here, okay?
Okay.
So all the way down for me and just drop that shoulder there. Perfect. And just give me full control. Let the head fall. Beautiful. Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very good. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Those were good ones. How's the back feeling?
It feels really good.
Awesome. Alright, so I'm going to start writing this mid back, okay? So go ahead, nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Just let it all out. Perfect. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. And all the way out. All the way out. Just relax it.
Oh my God. What the hell? Wow.
Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. All the way out. Just relax it. Very good. Just do me a favor and open the mouth slightly. Let the head fall. Just let the head fall for me. Very nice. Just relax. Point the toes down for me.
Oh, wow.
The head to the left, drop it. Right, drop it. Just let the head fall. Beautiful.
All I can do is laugh.
And just let the head drop.
Very
Good. Whew. How are you feeling so far?
Great.
Awesome. Good deal.
Oh, I ain't never had nothing like this before in my life.
When a patient has a rib out,
Let me know when I get right to that spot, okay? Oh, right. Yes. And all the way out. Very good. How'd that feel? Felt amazing. And just let the head fall to the left. Perfect. Very good. Just let the head fall to the right.